Hi children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class will further learn about directions to a place, children. In the previous class we learnt about how we can predict the directions using the rising sun. Using sun, how we can understand the four main directions: east, west, north and south. By now you all know that when we are facing the rising sun, behind you is the west and to your right is the south and to your left is the north. And we also learnt the importance of landmarks in a place and how landmarks will help us to locate a place in that locality, in the neighborhood. So a landmark can be a park, a hotel, a petrol bunk, a children's park, a school, a big hospital, or a very big office, government buildings. So like this, a known place can be a landmark in a locality. That's what we learned. And also in S1 and S2, two different types of maps were given. So what was a map, children? A picture of the place. So from that you are able to do some questions which were asked based on the map. You are able to do that. Now further we will learn about landmarks only today also, children. So landmark, what is a landmark? Actually a known place in a locality. In your locality, you all have written different answers, no? In your locality there might be a park as a landmark, a hospital as a landmark, any building or any, as I told, a hotel or petrol bunk or anything can be a landmark. So using that, it will be easy for a person to locate your home. And also how it is helping, it helps to find places in the neighborhood. So in the neighborhood, whichever places are there, that can be, we can able to find out using this landmark. So when you take open, so today the activities is the workbook only. So just you can take out your textbook. Here you can see one, in the page number 90, they have given you one map. You can see a map showing a police post office, fire station, police station, then a child's home, school, hospital, library, like that. Different places are there near to your child's home. So now if it is your home, so your friend has to come to your home. So using this landmarks, you can, suppose if she is asking from the library to the way to your home, with the help of the hospital and the police station and all, you can help, you can ask her to locate your place. So the same way we can use the landmarks for finding out the place in the neighborhood. Yes, so in your EVS notebook, when you are, already I have told you an activity in A4 sheet or whichever you have done. So I told you to draw your home and different landmarks near your home. I hope you might have written 2-3 at least what are the landmarks near your home. Yes, no, children. So now you can write like how it is given in here, children. My friend is at the fire station and wants to come to my house. Like that you can locate from one place and you can ask, you can give the guidance for the person to reach your home. Like you can keep this as a model and you can do that, children. In that activity only you can continue this and you can send me. Now, so now again we are going to understand using a map only. Let us take the workbook and we'll see what map is given. See here, children, in S3 they have given you one map. Look at the map carefully and answer the question. That is the page number 32. So in that landmark, in the map you can see a petrol pump. What are the landmarks are there, children? First, shall we try to name the landmarks in that place? Even in the, if you have a rough paper or your notebook, you can try to name the landmarks in that place. What are the landmarks you can find there, children? One by one you can answer me. First we'll write that, then we'll go for the answers. So can you see the petrol pump? Very good. Petrol pump is one such landmark we find there. Then children, what else you can see there? School. There is a school. Then a pizza corner or pizza hut is there. A pizza place, pizza hut or something is there. Your hospital is there. So like that you can find out some more also. Just I am writing 4. You can see there is a fire station, church, Many are there. So let us write church also. 5 I have chosen. Like this only I am telling. From your home map, you can down you can write at least 5 landmarks, and from any one landmark you guide your friend to reach your home. So that is the work you have to continue in the previous class activity. Now we will come to the question, children. Now you are Karim's house. See the boy, like you, there is a boy. His home is Karim's house. You all please try, put your hand and find out the Karim's house. What is the landmark for Karim's house, children? So near to Karim's house, what you can suggest? What is the landmark near to his house? Fire station is there in that same street. Can you see that fire station is there? So you can write fire station, or on the other side there is church also there. You can write church or fire station. Yes, children. So S3, first one, you can write church or you can write fire station. One landmark near the Karim's house. Second question you see, children. Karim is at the hospital and needs to go to the church. What directions will you give him? Where is Karim now? Karim is in the hospital and he want to go to the church. So how you can, what directions will you give him? Now there is no east west, that is not given, not rising sun. So from the landmark only you have to tell him. So how can we guide him to reach the church, children? So from the hospital, see the hospital, he has to come out and he should take left. First he should take left. No, children, the main road you see. Then walk, take left, walk straight. Yes. Then children, then where he has to go? Then he has to again take left, move ahead, walk straight. He has to walk straight. So again you can add here, again take left and he has to walk straight. And where he has to reach? He has to reach the church. No, children, straight if he walk, he can find the church. Yes, straight, walk straight. Yeah, again he has to turn right to find the church. Yes, children. Now next question. What is another way for Karim to reach the church from the hospital? So if he is choosing another way, so how he can reach the, if he is taking the right from that, see, right side if he is taking, everywhere if he is taking the right side, also he can reach the church. So that you can do it on your own, same way. Take right, turn left, front, back, like these words you can use and you can complete this third question on your own, children. Now, next, so you complete the S3, third question on your own. Next, further we will learn about how else we can locate a place, what else can show us the directions. So when we are talking about that, the compass is one instrument or one device which is used to find out the direction. Even in your textbook also you have a clear picture of the compass. See here in your beginning of the lesson you have the compass picture, and even you can see the virtual image also. Even the small compasses are available in shops. Even you can get it and you can use it. You can see how it is working. So in a compass it is a device which is used to find out the direction, children. In this there will be a needle. So this needle, in this there will be a needle, red color needle will be there, red needle. So this needle will always point towards the north. So this helps to find out the direction. How, like how we use the rising sun is in the east, like that, behind is west. Same way here also, as the needle will always point, because that itself is a magnet only, and you all know that earth is also a magnet. So due to the deflection, it will always, the needle will be pointing towards the north. So opposite to that will be the south, and with that only east and west also, like how we used in the rising sun. So when you are facing the rising sun, east, and to your right will be the south and left will be the north. Same way here also we can apply, as the needle will always point towards the north. So compass needle was used by the sailors, those who are in the mid of the sea, those who are trekking, climbing. the mountains, they will not know which direction to move. So that time they will use the compass, the needle will just to point out only the north. So with that they will understand where is the south, east and west, and they will move away. Even in the aeroplanes and all, the compass needle only will be there to show the direction. So first we learnt about using the rising sun, then landmarks, and now you see even using the compass needle also we can find out the direction. So now let us see how we can use the compass. Now when you see the S4, 33 children, so like how in the when we are using the rising sun, how we labeled, yes, north, south. Same way here you see when the north opposite is the south, and here see east and west easily they will find out and they will be able to this. The first if you mark easily you can answer the questions given here. What is the compass? It is a device which is used to find out the direction. Now let us see what is given, children. S4, 33 page number in the workbook. Complete the sentences. Dash is to the north of the post office. See, the post office is here. So to the you see the this compass needle showing the 4 directions, children, and seeing that you answer what is to the north of the post office. You can see the bank is there. Very good. Bank is to the north of the post office. Just you can see that compass needle showing the 4 main, how it is labeled. With that only you can answer. We are doing S4. Write the date. Page 33. First one is bank is to the north of the post office. Dash is to the west of the stadium. See, where is the stadium? See where stadium? To the west of the stadium, what do we have, children? West of the stadium we have the hospital. So just you use the compass showing the 4 directions and you can answer the questions. If Kia is standing at the parking lot, what places are to her east? Kia is a girl like you, she is the parking lot, she is. What places are to her east? East you see, children. Stadium is there, sports club is there. So you can, this is the first one only. So she be, when she is the parking lot, to her east, sports club and you can also see the computer shop. To her east, computer shop, both are towards the eastern side of the parking lot. Third question. Kia, now she is at the sports club. Give Kia directions to reach the museum. So this you can only, now you use only east-west directions, children. She is in the sports club. Now give Kia directions to reach the museum. So from there she has to take first north. Walk towards north. You can write walk towards north. Yes, from the sports club she has to come and she should walk towards the north. Then take east. Take east direction. She should take the east direction. Walk straight. Walk straight. Then children, after she walks straight, what she has to do? She has to take to walk towards north. No, walk towards north, and she can reach the stadium. Walk straight to reach the museum. You can complete that. You reach the museum. Taking a left also you can mention there. Also, or else you write you have to take a turn towards the north and you can write that. Is up to you. You can put your own words and complete that, children. So up to now we learnt about rising, how you can use the rising sun, then landmarks, and also the compass needle. So third question, some I have written walking towards the remaining 2-3 bits till she reaches the museum. You can complete on your own and send me the pics. By this the lesson is over. It is very simple. So read the lesson from the textbook and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.
Introduction. Aditi lives with her parents in Chennai. Her aunt lives in Mumbai. She visits her aunt every year in April. So she travels from south to west. In this lesson, you will learn about directions, objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify 4 major directions, use a compass to locate a place, common directions, turn left, turn right, go straight ahead, go back. We use these words when people ask us directions. We can use our hands to indicate for common directions: left, right, front, and back. Major directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, east, south, and west. The 4 letters N, E, S, and W represent these directions. This is J. He's standing facing the sun. The sun rises in the east. Therefore, east is in front of him. It means west is behind him. North is to his left. South is to his right. Location of Delhi. This is the map of India. The 4 major directions: north, east, south, and west are marked on the map. Delhi is the capital of India. It is located in the north of India. Compass. This is a compass. It is a device. We use it to find directions. The compass has an arrow with a head and a tail. The head always points to the north and the tail to the south.